Welcome everybody to another section again. Um, I trust. Please, if you're hearing any background noise, in fact, is more than the one you've been listening to since we started this training. Please just know it's my neighbors and siblings. So blame them, don't blame me. Okay. So yep. So where's this guy? Let's quickly dive in. So the two first videos actually are too long, so I think we should do something less complicated. So what's this? Day 2. Okay, alright. So today is day 3, and then you're welcome to the initial learning journey for 26 weeks of code. Okay. So today we're actually going to leave early. So this is more like we're starting all over again. So actually the day 1 and day 2 is just to let you see the fun of being able to understand how code works and stuff like that. So it's not actually possible for you to just start coding bam all of a sudden that way. So you need to start from the basics. So actually and I think day one actually has a link to the to the video where you can learn also, but lucky for you, here it is again in 26 week of code. You still have to learn from the beginning. So day 3 says the beginning basic HTML, learn fundamental tags like HTML, add blah 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 blah. So you can go learn them. So I'm only here for the task. So it says create a simple about me page with a title and a short bio and one image. This is almost like a profile card, but it says page, not card, page. So that's a whole page. Okay, so then say basic CSS, learn CSS selectors, colors. So please go learn this for day 2, so you can actually still link to the other video to learn all this. So it says style the about me page, and okay, so I'm going to copy this. Say see la 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 la. I'm hungry and I just finished eating. What kind of life is this? Okay, so since we have this as our profile card, so we're going to do something else. So let's have another index by clicking right here, new file. So I'm going to create this. Let's just name this about.html. So this is HTML, and I'm going to click on this to reduce the sizing. Okay, so okie dokes, shift 1, enter. So I don't need to explain all this again, and change the title to about me. So outside here, or maybe we should just do it inside the body. It's not like it's going to crash our code. So control / then going to paste. Oh, sorry. So I just have to cut this. So we'll have by changing, enter, fonts, colors. Oh no, it's going to be at the top. This one should be at the top. Yep. Short bio, title. Yep. You guys should quit disturbing, rather. You quit disturbing. No online, please. I'm busy. Okay. Now we have create a simple about me page with a title, blah 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 blah. First of all, let's try out our live server once again. I literally cancelled that live server, so why was he on the whole time? Okay, let's delete this. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Okay, we just have to keep refreshing. So I'll actually look into it before day 3, but let's just keep refreshing. Okay. Yeah. Okay, perhaps let's restart Visual Studio Code. Something asked me to restart Visual Studio Code. Actually, I haven't thought of it before, so let's do this. Still, yada. Okay, so let's see if it works. It didn't. Doesn't work. Okay, so we have create a simple about me page with a title, a short bio, and one image. This is funny. Style the about me page by changing fonts, text colors, and adding a background color. Okay, so first of all, we're starting from the HTML about me page. That's about me. Then it says with the title, what's going to be the title of my page? Let's make this H1. So but nope, not always. Retech hub space. The title actually it's about me, so can do it whichever way I want. Then a bio should be in the paragraph tag. So then I'm going to just pick lorem times 50 words is okay. Still too much. Whoosh. Let me Ctrl Z. So lorem times 5 is actually okay then. Oh, sorry. Lorem times 5. So remember I said I was too lazy to type, so please, we're just going to use lorem. I can't type. So retech up, blah 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 blah, and that's it. This is actually the correct details you need to know about our hub. I hope so. Wow, this website is looking very beautiful. It's time to go sell this to Mark Zuckerberg. Is this Zuckerberg or Zuckerberg? Only God knows. Okay, so what's the next task? Says and one image. Okay, so one image. There is a actually let's cancel all this again. We can't just work without div, so we have div. We're calling this the title, div title. So this is where my h1 is going to be. So I'm just trying to teach you guys how to depend mostly on div, because div is actually what makes up the web page. So retech up space. So instead of just, you can just still copy this. So if it was live server by now, I've actually lost all this. Then before we did this, I said this commenting is actually very essential. This is the title, title for my about page. Okay, so after this I've got something like this, like let's say this is for the bio. So after the bio, then I can have my div bio. Okay, so just going to copy this too. I don't need to do the silly old trick anymore. So P, then paste. And I think this actually went out well. Okay. So don't worry, even if I'm cutting it down this way, doesn't mean it's going to affect the way it is arranged. Okay, so I'm still going to create an example to explain that. Okay, yeah, I think we can refresh now. So you see, still maintaining same posture. So let me quickly explain that to us real quick. Bring this P down. All right, so let me quickly just explain with another paragraph tag right here. So P, this is the reason I type in, as I wouldn't know what to type about, and it is actually stressful. All right, now let's run this. You see, it says this is the reason I hate typing, as I wouldn't know what to type about, and it is actually stressful, right? Then now let's break this from wouldn't. So wouldn't know about, but if you refresh this, it's still intact. So you get, but if you want to cut it this way and you want it to stay this particular way, at the front of this P tag, just type RE, and then at the front of the, where's the closing P tag? Okay, of this particular one, to just add RE reserve. Bim, and that's it. Stays that way. So I'm going to cut this off. This is my paragraph. I can't sweat to type this and you want me to just ruin it that way. No, I'm adding this to the lorem. Okay, so that's it. Then the next thing, add one image. Adding one image. So should we just add the image underneath it, or let's see, the instructions doesn't say anything about adding underneath, top, whatever. Just add one image. Right, thank you. So this is for the image. So we're using the same JPG image. Yeah, div image, div.image, image. Yes. Okay. Just images, then bg.jpg, and yeah, that's it. Okay. This background, this, what's it called? This about me page is actually very nice, isn't it? So the next thing to do says style the about me page by changing fonts. Okay, changing fonts, text color, and adding a background color. Just changing fonts, text color, and adding a background color. Right. So first of all, let me just link this to CSS already. Link colon CSS. This is actually using this is literally just using all we've done in the formal CSS, the formal CSS, and I think it's actually look cool, but nah, we're going to create another style for you. So we're calling that one styles. Going to add is styles.css. So I'm going to click on my Explorer tab, then quickly, because time is fast going, styles.css. So everything should return back to normal. Yep. All right. So what we're asked to do is where is it? Okay, yeah, it says, let me close this tab again. I've got it right here. So it says changing fonts. First of all, we're changing fonts. All right, we're changing font. So H1 fonts family, just pick any random one, I don't care. Okay, I think this actually look nice. Then changing fonts, we still have to change the fonts for you guys. Paragraph, changing your fonts to fonts family. Time New Roman. Oh, it's Time New Roman before. Okay, no. Family. Georgia. There's still Time New Roman. Why do I keep picking the same thing? Just want to stay there. No, I'm going to type in fantasy myself. Fantasy. Yes, fantasy actually looks more like this, but it's actually a playful text. Okay, we have fantasy right there. Wasn't it too looking too weird? Okay, we'll just continue designing. Once we're designing, we'll know what you're doing. Okay, so we've got the two. Okay, this first one done. Text colors now. Okay, so for you, we're gonna retain. Okay. It's actually change the text color. Since we have to change the text color, so I don't care if it's fine. Is it fine or attractive? Wow, this actually looked nice. And then, bro, you're gonna need to give me space for you. For color, our H3 is going to be red. This is blue. Wow, I love this. Wow. This is interesting. Then now what's next? Says to text colors and adding a background color. Now that we've used it, what kind of background color? P. So body, we're actually using body now. Body, your background color is going to be no, you've got to be kidding me. Let's try this out. What? My eyeballs almost crashed. What kind of color is this? I rebuke you now. I think this is better, even though it looks stupid, but at least this is our about page, and then this is our text, and then this is our image, which we can still just, we're not asked to, but let's just toy with it. Our image, we can reduce it, the weight to 60px, and the height should be more than the weight because it's actually a rectangle shape. Right, so it's still going to be okay. Let's make the 70px and then this 40px. This is percentage. I think this is better now. Yep, and then let's start with it a little bit more. Border radius. Okay, let's set border then, since you want border. 2px. Your border, we're going to put pink. Oh god. And it's going to be groove. Yeah, groove. Okay, let's make it a little bit visible. 5. Yeah, it's cool now. It's groove. And then it's pointy edges. Border radius, so it's 5px also. Yeah, 5px. So that's it for our about page today. So make sure when you're doing yours, you're actually using what's it called, like correct infos. Like, please don't, this is actually just tutorial. So please use correct infos, and then make sure to submit on the Telegram platform. I've not been saying this since the beginning of the video, but please and please submit. There's actually a prize at the end of the session, so whoever does every project gets to win this prize. So thank you once again for joining this tutorial. My name once again is God's Favor Abraham, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.